Well, some wise men said it well. Prevention is better than cure. Now, by using a camera system, if you can prevent anything happening wrong around your area, why not have it? Now, in today's video, I'm going to share with you a camera system which will be recording 24/7 and having a display on your 55-inch telly, record 24/7, have the same image available on your mobile phone as well. Now, if you'd like to know more about this system, stay tuned and we're going to look into step by step about it. Hello, what's up everybody, Naresh here, welcoming you back into another video where today I have got my hands on this HeimVision HD NVR kit, model number HM241. This is a complete wireless camera system. So you don't need to do extra amount of wiring. The only thing which you need to do is provide 12 volt to your outdoor Wi-Fi enabled camera and connect with this NVR unit, and that would be all. This system is not complete wire free. You have to provide 12 volt power supply to your camera. Now the main reason I purchased this system was only because that I don't need internet all the time available on the cameras. Cameras can be connected with this NVR unit and everything will be recorded on the hard drive itself. Now, other than recording all the live footage on the hard drive, it offers so many other features as well. Starting with the camera, which is 1.3 megapixel, come with the full Wi-Fi connectivity, as well as the motion detection, day and night vision recording, IP66 waterproof, that's not bad at all. You can also get the email alerts as well as the remote viewing if you connect your internet with this NVR kit. The setup is all easy and straightforward, and you can connect this NVR system with your television using HDMI port or VGA port if you want to view the playback straight away. Without wasting too much of time, let's have a look what is in the box. It includes one 8-channel 1080p wireless network video recorder, 4 1.3 megapixel cameras with 5 dB antenna, 4 10-feet power adapters for the camera, one 3.3 feet power adapter for NVR unit, couple of screws, one 1 meter long network cable, one USB mouse and a user manual. Let's have a quick look into the 8-channel NVR system, which comes without hard drive, and instructions to install the hard drive are also available in a user manual. Now on the back of NVR unit you have a two 5 dB antennas and port for VGA monitor, HDMI output, WAN port to connect internet on this NVR unit, USB port to transfer the data from the hard drive straight on your drive if you want to, and a power port. Where in the front of NVR unit you have a manufacturer logo, which is HeimVision, and a status indicator light for the run, infrared, hard drive and a power. Now the cameras, which we have 4 in the packaging, all are identical with all pre-configured with your NVR unit. So technically you just need to plug it in and power it up. They should straight away start to work. This whole camera body is IP66 rated, waterproof, so you don't need to worry about it putting it outdoors. Now in front of camera you have 3 big LED infrared lights to give you perfect and quite clear night vision, along with the 1.3 megapixel lens. Now the mounting bracket of camera give you 360-degree rotation with the solid construction as well. Now, installing this 5 dB antenna on your Wi-Fi camera is very easy and straightforward. Simply on the back plug, screw it in and make sure it's nipped up properly. Now you can swing it over and place it how you want it, wherever you want it. All the instructions that how antenna, what direction they should be go into is also available in user manual. Follow it all as it says in the manual. It's less likely you're going to have any problem. Now on the camera unit itself, you also have an Ethernet port if you would like to have a wired connection, as well as a 12 volt power supply. Now all the instruction that how to install the hard drive in your NVR system are also available in user manual, but I will be quickly going through that straight away with you. where first you need to make sure that you have a suitable hard drive available and open up NVR cover using the Phillips screwdriver. Now you need to find the appropriate location available right in here for 3.5-inch hard drive around here. If you got a 2.5, it will be going right down here. So let's put it on. Flip around the NVR unit and locate all the screws for the hard drive. Once located, start tightening them up. Now it's time for the connections. First connect the SATA connection, following with the power connection. Now let's put the cover back on. Our NVR system is ready. We have already installed a hard drive in it. It is very important to do a dry test of your system before installing everything permanently outdoors. So now we have done a dry test of our system where all the cameras are working. Hard drive is also formatted. We've been through journal setup of the NVR kit, which is all working perfectly fine. It's time now to install all the cameras outdoor. Now I have installed all 4 cameras around the house and all the wiring compact inside the pipe as well. Very nicely done. I also got the Ethernet cable as well for my future wiring if I want to. But this camera system can go on Wi-Fi as well as the wired as well. I'm using Wi-Fi for this video. And 12 volt is also available within this pipe arrangement as well. So here we have number 1 camera and the 2 right up there. And this third one looking down to this side of the driveway, where the 4th and the last one available for the backyard, looking down into the back. Now you have seen all cameras installed outside. I'm sorry guys that I have not done a full video about it, that how to install them and stuff like that. But to be honest with you, you really don't need it. You just wanted to know that the system you are buying is capable to do the job or not. But tell you by the result which you see on your screen, it is actually. I have got a 55-inch screen in my living room and all the cameras are feeding back into the NVR unit and it is connected with my television using HDMI port and working great. But the good thing about this NVR system by HeimVision is by using an app called IP Pro, which is available on Google Play Store as well as for iOS. You can have the live feed of all your cameras straight on your mobile phone as well, and go in more detail of them if you want to. And the picture quality which you're going to see is crisp and clear. Now to getting the remote access for your NVR unit is very easy and straightforward. The only thing you need is a cloud key. And simply just add this all in. And adding an NVR unit inside your IP Pro app is straightforward by pressing the add additional devices. And the procedure for that is also available in quick startup guide. Now let's have a very quick look within the NVR system itself, which is very important for us to know. Now any camera you would like to extend this video, okay, by double click onto the image itself, you can see the full screen, and by double click again, you can down it as well. That's how easy, straightforward it is. Now to see the menu, if you right click on your mouse, which is provided within the NVR unit, you can see the options like video manage. Now if you have an extra camera you would like to add, you can add it by using this area in here, or you can set up your Wi-Fi as well as a repeater too. Next option you have is the system setup. If you'd like to check into in more detail of it, where you're going to have option for recording setup. At this moment of time, as you can see that I have set up to record 24/7. Now you can also deselect things actually if you want to. You do not want it to record some of them 24/7 or only wanted to record them when there's a motion happen. You got 3 categories here, which is one to do with the time, one to do with the motion, and one to do with the any alarm. Now within the system setting, you can also go into the hard drive setup as well, which is very handy to know about it, because when you install the new hard drive, you have to format it by simply clicking onto the click here format and click this button. That's it. Now the other option which is auto delete old files, which I have customized it. By default you're going to get the disable option and 30 days. I customized it to 90 days. So after 90 days actually it will delete all the old files. So as you can see that I've been using this NVR from quite some time, and I've used about how much? 1772 gigabytes, which is 47% of it. So 2 months, that much. So I'm sure 3 months is enough. I can change it as well if I want to. Now in case of any fault alarm, you can set the alarm. Anything goes wrong with the hard drive, you can have a buzzers and stuff like that, or email notifications as well. I've set nothing apart from it. That's all right, I'm not bothered about it. But all the options you see in there are pretty straightforward and standard you expect. Now to check out the recorded footage on your cameras, right click on it and click onto the playback option right in here. Now here is going to show you 24/7 recording. You can see by the day, by the hours, or you can go into the calendar and select the date you would like to see the recording of. Let's suppose I've selected this number 2, December 2nd of December. And as you can tell by the look of it, that the red one means that it's 24-hour recording, and the blue one means when the green one means the motion detected and stuff like that. You can just simply scroll through the footage if you want to, and it's going to display you what has happened in detail, stuff like that. You can fast forward it using these options here. Everything which you wanted to know is available in here. Now let me show you some of the nighttime recording of this camera system to give you an idea how it is. Now this is all recording actually, guys. As you can see, that is pretty decent, not bad at all, quite clear. You can see it exactly what's happening around. This is the backyard, because this whole swing which I got on the back is covering everything. But other than that, it's pretty decent actually, not bad at all. And using this playback feature, you can go through the whole day, night, everything actually. Well, from last couple of days, it's been raining quite badly as well. And the camera system, to be honest with you, survived without any worries. I've not seen a glitch of dropping the connection at all. Now, to me, to be honest with you, the camera system is fantastic and a kind of a must-have. Now to conclude, for sure, everybody wanted to know that what I think about this system. And to be honest with you, the way it's been working, I have not had any problem with it. It's ticking well. So far, everything you wanted to know about it, or everything you wanted to know to fit this system up, is also available in the user manual and setup guide too. Camera system works great with the NVR unit, and you can add more as well. Either your cameras are on Wi-Fi or on your Ethernet network, you can also add them in NVR unit. That is a great thing about it. And you can also have them within the app as well. App is awesome. I've been using it for a long time now, and I would recommend it, to be honest with you. Now that would be all from my side. If you still have any more reservation and you wanted to know about it, please let me know in the comment section down below. I would be happy to help you as much as I could. Thank you very much for watching this video. Shall see you soon into another one. Bye for now.